Organising expert Anita Burgess. Good morning to you, Anita.
Good morning, guys. How are you?
Fantastic.
Ready to get rid of the bugs.
Oh my gosh, can I tell you, I've had the summer
It's been
from
bad.
crazy. Like, I came back from overseas, got into my car, I had an ant infestation in my car, on the outside of my car. It took me 3 weeks. So trust me, whatever I'm going to go through here has been tested and tried
If it
and
can
works.
happen to the queen of clean, it can happen to all of us.
did.
Let's start off first with the ants, as you've just mentioned.
Okay,
what can we do to get rid of them?
So for ants, we have a spray here that you can actually spray around your kitchen benches and everything like that, especially if you see ants around, you know, those crack lines near the sink and that. And that's just 2 cups of apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons of dish soap and 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Now, just quickly, when you're mixing this up, vinegar and baking soda together, poof, you're going to get a science experiment. So when you're mixing it up, you're going to mix it very slowly together, and that's the secret of it not overflowing. Spray it everywhere, it's great. Ow, and also for ants, hang on a sec, ants as well, sorry, coffee grounds.
You go.
I'm sorry, I'm very excited as well. Coffee grounds, I went to my cafe, grabbed the coffee grounds, I put it all over my driveway and around the car where the car was parked and actually stopped the ants then migrating into the car engine.
You don't say.
I know.
Migration, it's
and it works for caterpillars and slugs as well on your driveway or your path.
I was telling you, at my house in the inner west, we have a caterpillar problem right now. It's
Well,
quite
I can
dangerous.
give you a bit. I got some spare if you like.
You can DIY with this.
There you go.
What about spiders? I hate having spiders in the house, but they are good because they eat the flies. But
no one likes spiders. I mean, like, we don't invite them in.
Billie Eilish does, but apart from her.
So, if you want to get rid of spiders, like kill the spiders, you wouldn't believe it. It's just salt and water. Salt and water. 2 cups of water, a tablespoon of salt. You just spray this wherever you see a spider instead of using something toxic, salt and water. And then if you want to actually repel spiders, you can do something. It's a cup of water, a teaspoon of dish soap, 7 drops of tea tree oil or peppermint oil, or citrus or lavender. And you mix that up in a glass bottle. So if you're ever using essential oils, use a glass bottle, not a plastic bottle, because it leaks into the plastic and you won't get the same effect.
As in the essential oils.
Essential oils. Anything you use with an oil, you should use in a glass bottle, not a plastic bottle.
Genius. Okay, I've got a fruit fly. It sounds like we've got infestations left, right and centre.
We've come to the right place today.
Our households are unruly. I do have fruit flies at the moment. What can I do for that?
Fruit flies are actually quite easy to get rid of, if you can't believe it. So, cinnamon sticks in the fruit bowl. Easy peasy. If you have fruit flies anywhere else, like around the edges of your window or anything, that also works for ants as well, sprinkle cinnamon around it. Then if you're going to make your own DIY fruit fly trap, it's 2 tablespoons of dish soap. Apple cider vinegar and a bit of water. I put a piece of Glad wrap around with a rubber band and I've pierced some holes in the top with a toothpick. Just leave that near your fruit bowl. Can I tell you something? When I was making this yesterday, the fruit flies were already coming in before I could put the Glad wrap on.
They were just kamikazing.
I couldn't believe it, actually. It was quite incredible. Then we have 4.
It's like they don't want to survive.
No, they're so attracted to it. Look what I've made here. It's a beautiful lunch for them.
We've had enough.
So flies, now normal house flies. I'm telling you, I was walking around the other day, swatting everywhere. I'm not joking. I was walking down the street. So if you want a fruit fly repellent for your home, for yourself, to spray on yourself, you're going to use 1 cup of water, half a cup of witch hazel, which makes it soft on the skin. Fresh mint. Fresh mint, a little bit of fresh mint and some cloves. You're going to mix that up. Now you can also, so with the flies you can put it on yourself, and if you want to use it on a surface, use peppermint oil. It gives spray. I can give it a go. Give it. It's really nice.
I feel like this is better than
open it. Let's just do this.
The old method.
Oh, babe, let's not get too.
Apologies.
Oh, here, just smell it. Have a little smell.
Yeah, no, it smells.
Smell.
Love it. That actually smells
really
lovely.
good.
That smells
really, really good. And just quickly, for mosquitoes, bit of Vicks. If you don't have something, put a bit of Vicks on your kids' ankles or wrists, and then you've got also a little mosquito repellent with a UV light you can put in their room. Lights up at night. Just look at this. Have we got the UV light on?
Oh, we cut electricity.
Oh, here we go.
There we go. Okay.
You've got the little UV light. Just put that in your kid's bedroom.
Love it.
And it doesn't make any noise, and all the mosquitoes get popped into the tray here.
Love it.
Simple as that, right?
So many tips. Thank you so much.
Oh, it's my pleasure.
We'll be bug-free for life.